So today I'm coming to you guys with a recipe, and it's my favorite breakfast on the go, overnight oats. Like honestly, if you if you haven't had overnight oats, like you're honestly missing out. Unless that's not your cup of tea. Of course, I know there's people who don't really like the idea of having cold oatmeal. To each their own. But as far as for me, I love it. Like I love it. If you know me, those who know me knows how crazy I am when it comes to overnight oats. I love it. I have it almost every day. It really fools you, and I always feel so good after I eat it. If I can eat it every day, I would. But again, I had to diversify the food that I eat. There's other things for breakfast. Like when I'm off, of course, I treat myself with other things for breakfast, but when I'm working, like it's my favorite on the go. I don't have to pack other little things. Overnight oats it is, and I get a banana and I eat it for my breakfast. So that's basically it. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients I use. I switch it up as I go. Like recently, one of the ingredients was recently added just because I wanted to like add in more stuff to make it more nutritious. And I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I did. But anyways, let me stop chattering. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys give overnight oats a try, even if it's not the exact recipe that I use. There's other different ones on YouTube. You can take a look. Like people use peanut butter, like chocolate chips, other things. But for me, I like to keep it very light and simple. Like those are ingredients that I can get right away if by any chance I run out of any of them. And it's very delicious. I enjoy eating it in the morning. And that's about it. All right. Alright guys, so we're gonna start by using a bowl. I know some of the videos online they use mason jars, but because I'm going to work with it, I use a bowl. So I've poured in my oats. I don't measure, but I go by eyesight. And I don't add too much because what happened is overnight it does swell up. So just be very mindful of that. If you're on a weight loss journey, please measure so you don't go over your carb intake for the day. So then I follow along with my chia seed, which was recently added. Chia seeds are really good for you, and they're very high in fiber. You guys should really look into that. If you're not interested in having it, you don't have to add it. Then next I follow along with my dairy-free yogurt. Again, if you're not into that, you can go with Greek yogurt. I was using that at first, then I stopped because I just don't like, I don't I don't drink cow milk, and this was a great alternative for me. Then I follow along with my a little bit of protein powder just to keep the vanilla flavor and a little bit of protein, high protein for the oats. Then my almond milk. So with that, I know I added a little bit, then I added a little bit more, simply because I don't want it to be too hard. I still want it to be mushy. So adding a good amount of milk is really important. Not too much, of course, but just a good amount. So then, again, I'll just add a little bit more. Again, it's gonna be to your liking. Once you start doing the recipe, then you can tweak it around to your liking. Just stirring, as you can see. Then my favorite part, the honey. Okay, with that, it might look like I'm going overboard with it, but honestly I'm not. Because trying it right now, it's like this, like nothing. Okay, having the oats in itself is really good, but I can't eat bland oats, oatmeal. I just cannot. It has to have a taste to it. And when I do it, it's not even like sweet. It's just, it gives the exact amount of sweetness that I need. I don't like sweet stuff anyways, but the first amount you might be like, man, I added too much. No, trust me, it didn't even taste like nothing. Because again, just be mindful of that if you're in a weight loss journey and you're counting your calories, of course. So that's how it looks when you're done and all stirred up. And I just cover it with my lid and I leave it overnight, and I pack it in my lunch bag. Hey y'all, so I'm about to eat this right now, but I just wanted to show you guys how like it looks after. So So that's how your overnight oats will look the next day. And you can see that the oh, my fingers. And you can see that the chia seeds are like, they grew a little bit, but that's like, it's still very small and it's like mushy. It's not as hard, and you barely like feel it like in your mouth. You barely taste it in your mouth. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys give it a try. It's a very good on-the-go breakfast for me, and I'm always feeling satisfied. And of course, I'm gonna have it with my banana right there. All right, see you guys. Have a great day. Bye.